Hi everyone, so today I'm going to show you a small thing that I prepared for myself. So basically I'm not a professional DIYer, but I just try to create something which I need regularly in my DIY work. So if a normal person will see this, he or she might get confused what kind of thing is this, but it's a great tool for me. So actually I went to a local welder shop and I just created it, but sorry to say that, but I didn't shoot it from the beginning. So but I'm going to describe it on my best. Since you can already see your angle grinder on my right hand side, so I created this one for this. So basically it's an attachment and that will go like this, because I'm a left-handed person, so I have tried to create it on a left-handed part. So first I will describe you the general measurement of this one. So it's 6 inch by 6 inch base, and so you can see the gap where the blade will fit in. So it's about 1.5 centimeter long, and so this is about 3 inch and this is about 2.5 inch. So basically it can differ according to the size of the grinder that may you have in your home or at your workplace. So it's time to fit this thing with this one. So you can see a small mark over here in the tip of this connector. So this is the guiding thing. So when we try to cut by making a line, so basically if we follow this point on that line, so that it can easily cut straight. So you can see I have already marked a plywood piece. So let's see how it will work. Let's try to cut it with this one. Cutting wooden pieces was easy for me before. I hope you like this video. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Be happy, stay safe. Thank you.